Marion, breezy. Yo chick,
nothing on that beat, yo.
If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my niggas close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Oh, the hoes go for me. How your chicks in the pic like post for me. That's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Everything look like it's supposed to be. Pull up to the club and it go up. Make your girl fall in love when I show up. It's not my fault, she wanna know me. She told me you was just a hummer. She came down like she knew me. Gave it up like a groupie. And that's facts, no printer. Cold nigga turn the summer to the winter. She saved me in her phone at bestie, but I had her screaming, oh. Yo girl, wasn't supposed to text me. You wanna know how I know what I know. If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. Oh, all my niggas close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Oh, the hoes go for me. How your chicks in the pic like post for me. That's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
I'm about to roll up. She ain't never got high like this with a guy like this. When she pop it, tell her hold up.
Better believe she gon' leave with a real nigga. I dig her down, can't put it down like I do. I get the bus and no discussion, gotta deal with it. Team, I swing, where about you? Murder, she rode. Yeah, yeah. When I hit it, I'ma kill it like murder, she rode. You wanna know how I know what I know?
If your dude come close to me, he gon' wanna ride off and it goes for me. I'll make him do it. I might let your boy show for me, but he gotta eat the booty like groceries. But he gotta get rid of these hoes for me. I might have a nigga selling his soul for me. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. If he wants me to expose the freak, ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Ooh, that's how it's supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home when she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. All my niggas close to me, and all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. The hoes go for me. How your chicks in the pic like post for me. That's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
She about to ride with me, and I don't even know her name, but I know that she your girl. Yeah. She chose up, are you mad or no? Bro, don't be mad about it. He shakes me for everybody.
Marion,
see breezy.
I'll make him do it. I'll make him do it.
yeah, I'ma let it ride.
I'm just trying to know you better, you know? Let's start with the basics. Your inseam, what your waist is, nail color, shoe size, what design is your favorite? Trick dollar, I plays this. Couple niggas you played with. Kenzo, gift bags for all the bitches you came with. These niggas on the same shit. Red lobster, red bottom. Sell dope, don't think. Next day, feds got them. But I'm still here. You see, I'm still here. A lot of niggas just came and went, but at least you know that it's real here. Fly you down to where the heat go, lay you out to where the beach go. Jet ski, parasail, yacht as big as my ego. Woo! Heart cold as ever, but I can show you better. If we gon' grow together, I gotta get to know you better.
Tell me what's your name. Tell me what's your sign. Tell me what you into. Tell me what you like. If you was was rich tomorrow, tell me what would you do with it? And if you could see the future, baby, do you see me in it? Would you date me for a minute, girl, before you let me hit it? Are you single, are you taking, working towards your education? I'm just asking, I'm just saying, what's your current situation? Cause I see you cross the room and you the baddest in the building, what's up? See, I don't wanna get into your drawers yet. Are you one of them girls that's asking where the bread's at? See, first I need to know, girl, where your head at before you give me some. I'm playing. I'm just trying to know you better. I'm just trying to know you, yeah. I'm just trying to know you better. I'm just trying to know you, yeah. If I told you my secrets, Charlie, would you keep it? The type to kiss me right after I eat it, yeah. I'm just trying to know you better. Tell me where you going, tell me where you from. Are you a smoker or a drinker?
Experience ko sa Baler, great surfing, nature tripping.
Dami
The foods are great. That's it.
Alright.
A great experience with the family, of course.
Senior citizen
Masaya yung Baler experience kasi yung surfing, una-una, free na lessons, and then first time namin lahat na experience mag-surf. Masarap yung food sa lahat ng kinainan namin, and mura pa. Tapos ano pa ba? Nag-enjoy lahat yung mga bata. Sobrang mabait tao, malinis yung food. And may libre kaming photographers, tsaka videographers.
Yeah.
Ayun. Thank you. Thank you sa inyo.
Alright, thank you.
Right after I eat it, yeah. I'm just trying to know you better.
Are you single? Are you dating? Is it kinda complicated? Did you hear that time is money? Are you being compensated? Did you fuck first night and spend the next day contemplating? Did you focus giving